Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn IT with Venkat. Today's video I am going to discuss with you about how to install PyCamera module and how to create an image dataset using PyCamera with the support of Python program. We will see how to do it. These two devices needed. This is the Raspberry Pi which I am using for this scenario. Here I am using Raspberry Pi 3 model. Backside you can see I have inserted the SD card with Raspbian image. So this is the night vision camera, the Pi camera which we are going to insert with the Raspberry Pi and using for this scenario. And if you look at this lens, you can see that it is a 2.8 mm camera lens and with a HD 1080 pixel resolutions. Now we will fix this with the Raspberry Pi. So if you look at the Raspberry Pi, here we have a camera slot near to the HDMI port. You can see here. So this port only you're going to use it for this Pi camera. Just pull that socket out. Once you pull it out, we have to insert this camera. So if you look at that strip, it is having blue color that has to face the Ethernet port side. So you have to insert like this, insert it and tighten the socket, then it will be fixed. Now you can see that camera module plugged into the Raspberry Pi. As I told here, that blue color strip should be facing the Ethernet port. Okay, you have to ensure it. That's it. Now we will install the PyCamera package in the Raspberry Pi and we will power it up. Here my Raspberry Pi connected with this Cisco PL app with the IP address 192.168.137.181. Connected. It will open it in the browser. So here I have to give my password. So login successful. First I have to enable my camera module. So new terminal. So here you have to type the command raspi -config. It will open one dialog box. So here you have to go to the fifth step, interfacing option. Just click enter. So first you have to enable your camera module. Click enter. So it will ask whether to enable or disable. Just click yes. So you will get a notification camera interface is enabled. Click OK and just finish the installation. Next I have to update my Raspbian. So apt-get update. So it will update the packages inside your Raspberry Pi. So update successful. Control L to clear the screen. Now I have to install the package for PyCamera. So the very easy command to install it is sudo pip install PyCamera. It will collect the details and it will start installing the packages. So in my Raspberry Pi I have already installed these packages. So here I am getting the message requirement already satisfied. So here I have created a folder sample dataset image. So this is my Python program. So once you open the Python program, which is very simple to create a dataset of your image, first two lines stands for the package. So from PyCamera is the package name. I am importing the class. PyCamera is the class name. And from time is the package. From that package I am importing the sleep. So next to that I have to call the camera module using the constructor PyCamera. So camera here it is an object for the class PyCamera and here just invoking the constructor PyCamera off. By using this object I am invoking the method start underscore preview off. This will trigger the camera to on, and after the camera module is on I want to iterate the loop for taking photos. So here I am using for loop for it. So in Python for I is the iteration variable in the range 3. So here I am going to take 3 images straight, left and right. So for that I am iterating this for loop for 3 times, and object camera.capture is the method to take a picture, and I am storing it in the path home Pi notebook inside the folder sample image dataset and followed by the image name, face and ampersand s, which is to label the phase number. So that s will be replaced by this I value. So it will tell us that phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and followed by that I am printing the notification image, for example 0 taken, 1 taken, 3 taken, like that. So this ampersand s again replaced by the value of the variable I. And here another one notification, print of turn your face. As I told you, 3 sides we have to take it, straight, left and right. So for that each iteration I am giving the notification to the user to turn the face. And by using sleep method I am making this iteration to get a delay for 1 second. At last, by using the camera object, I stop the camera module preview. So very simple program. We will execute and see the demo now. Ctrl S to save it. Go back to the main page, new, open the terminal. So here just give ls. So this is my folder, cd sample image dataset, and ls. So this is my file name I want to execute. So python space image dataset dot py. Now I will execute and let me see the dataset created or not. So here you can see image 0 taken, turn your face, and image 1 taken, and turn your face, image 2 taken. So 3 times it asks you to turn the face, and 3 images, image 0, 1, 2 taken. Let me check with the folder. Go back to the folder, and here you can see phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, 3 images taken here, and open this phase 0. Yes, and phase 1. Yes, and phase 2. So this is the dataset. You can create it by simple Python program. By using this we can do a lot with the image processing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye.